Hello, Mr. Chui. Let's now show you our quality checking department. Yeah, let's have some samples of procedure parts. For example, this is for IC. This parts for IC. Yeah, so many parts, and it is very procedure.